EZ WordPress Engagement PLR Video Series Review. Hi. My friend Jason Oickle has just released a brand new 8-part over-the-shoulder White Label PLR video training series. What is the EZ WordPress Engagement PLR video series? It is a step-by-step video training with private label rights. EZ WordPress Engagement is a brand new over-the-shoulder PLR video training series that teaches you and your customers how to increase engagement on your WordPress sites. Here's a brief rundown of the videos. Video number 1, Introduction and Quick Overview. Video number 2, How fast does your site load? And how to check. Video number 3, How to speed up your WordPress site, plugins. Video number 4, How to speed up via web hosting. Video number 5, Engagement Boost Hack 1. Video number 6, Engagement Boost Hack 2. Video number 7, Engagement Boost Hack 3. Video number 8, Turning Engagement into Subscribers. What else is included? Aside from this video series, they also included ready-made sales materials such as sales copy, editable graphics, etc. The best part is, since you're getting the PLR to this course, you can basically do anything you want with it. If you are looking for well-made PLR that you can rebrand and sell, this is an excellent choice. Get started today. Click the link below.